Okay, this question confused a lot of students, and I think it was mostly the wording. So it said, all of this is equivalent to this, so solve for k. Well, here's my k value here, and is equivalent to means equals. So what I want to do, I want to set this equal to this and see what k is. So I'm going to have 2x squared minus x minus 15 plus x minus 3, x plus 7 is equivalent to, so equals, 3 times x minus 3 times x plus k. And I want to figure out what k is. So first I'm going to distribute here, so simplify both sides and then compare. So I'm going to distribute here. So I get 2x squared minus x minus 15, that doesn't change. And I have plus x squared plus 7x minus 3x minus 21. I can combine like terms here. So I get 2x squared minus x minus 15. I don't really need parentheses here anymore since I'm just adding everything together. Plus x squared. This will be a plus 4x minus 21. I'm still just going to deal with the right side later. So now I have more like terms to combine. I have a 2x squared and an x squared. So that gives me 3x squared. I have a negative x and a 4x, which gives me plus 3x. And I have a negative 15 minus 21. So I'm adding them together, and it's going to be a bigger negative number. So that gives me negative 36. All right, so now I've fully simplified the right side. So now let's work on the left. I'm going to distribute this 3 first. So I get 3x minus 9 and then x plus k. Now I'm going to FOIL, or just distribute, however you want to say. 3x times x gives me 3x squared. 3x times k. So this is going to be 3xk. Minus 9 times x gives me minus 9x. Minus 9 times k gives me minus 9k. I don't have any terms that I can combine here. So I'm done here. So let's go here now. So I have equals. I'm going to rewrite this. 3x squared plus 3xk minus 9x minus 9k. Okay. So I have a 3x and a 3x. Those are going to cross out. So if I were to subtract 3x squared to both sides, we're done with the 3x's. Now I have 3x minus 36 is equal to all this junk. So let me rewrite this. Oops. Okay. So fine. Sorry, I switched these two by accident. So negative 9x, I accidentally put first, plus 3xk, but it doesn't matter because we're just adding and subtracting. Okay, so here's how I would do this. I know this has an x, right? And these two have x's. So the only ones without x's are the negative 36 and the negative 9k. Now, if I wanted, I could factor out an x here. So I could say 3x minus 36 is equal to, factoring out an x, I'd get 3k minus 9 and then minus 9k. And I could set this equal to 3. But I think the easier part will be setting equal the numbers to each other. So I'm going to set these equal to each other because I know there's no x's here and there's no x's here. So they must be equal to each other. So negative 36 is equal to negative 9k. Well, I'm trying to solve for k. So I'm going to divide by negative 9. negative 36 divided by negative 9 gives me a k value of 4. So the answer for that one, the k value is 4.